No, I said yesterday that revival is not a time set aside on a calendar. It's not just that time of year. It's not just something that we do in the spring and in the fall. It's certainly not a week of meetings. However, I do believe that churches need to have revivals. I believe that they're extremely important, and far too many churches are forsaking that these days. Far too many churches are not having revivals. And why are the revivals important? They're important for several reasons. First of all, it gets the church singularly focused upon a certain thing. Now, if a revival is well planned for and well prepared for and prayed up, then friends, that revival is going to get the church singularly focused upon an upcoming event. And so as you're planning revival, as you're preparing for revival, as you're getting ready for that revival, the whole church should be getting ready with you and singularly focused upon that upcoming task and focused on getting the community involved in it by inviting people and encouraging folks to come, their friends and their family and everyone that they know. So it gets out any division that might be there and gets them focused upon the task that is at hand. Also, as it gets them focused upon the task that is at hand and brings unity within the church, we begin to also understand that revival gets folks to praying. You know, we have a purpose to pray for. We have something that is coming up that can be extraordinarily powerful. So we have these cottage prayer meetings, and you have this focus that we're going through even right now in this study of what revival is before you ever get to that point. And so we're encouraged to pray, and we're encouraged to seek the face of God. And so that is extremely important. So what I want you to do right now, I want you to pray for unity within your church. I want you to pray for singular focus within your church. God, we need you. God, we need you to move in a mighty way within our church. We need revival. So would you get us focused, get us singularly focused? If there's any division, drive it out and raise up prayer warriors within your church to pray singularly focused upon this revival. Would you do that?